Hello everyone, good evening. This is Ray Sureshma from degree 3rd year. The choices we make today determine the life we lead tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to enter an open state of mind for the next 5 minutes. So, today my topic is the cost of our choices. We are going to explore how our choices, both small and big, carry consequences with them in shaping our lives, our future, and even the world around us. Your life is your choice. Am I right? Let me substantiate this with a short story. We all are aware that when we take a flight, the takeoff is completely beyond us. It's completely in the hands of pilot. And even the landing, it is also in the hands of pilot. And what about the turbulence? The turbulence during the flight is not in our control. Yes, my dear girls and boys, the takeoff, the landing, the turbulence is not in our control. Then, what is in our control? The journey during the flight is our choice. Yes, some people choose just to go to sleep, some watch movies, yet others make new friends and talk with them. So, what to do during the journey is in our choice. In the journey of life as well, the takeoff, which is our birth, is completely not in our control. We didn't choose our parents, we didn't choose the religion we were born in, we didn't choose the nation we were born in, and even the death, the landing, is not in our control. No matter how much we might wish to die, it's just beyond us. And what about the turbulence, the disturbances, the problems during the life? So, some of them are within our control which we can solve, but many of them are not in our control. Yes, the takeoff, which is our birth, the landing, our death, the turbulences and the problems is not in our control. Then, what is in our control? It is the choice we can make during the life of a journey is in our control. Am I right? So, when we learn to make those right choices and ethical choices, we learn to live a transformed, happy and fulfilled life. Therefore, being a male is a matter of birth. Being a man is a matter of age. But being a gentleman is a matter of choice. And as a corollary to that, being a female is a matter of birth. Being a woman is a matter of age. Being a gentlewoman is a matter of choice. So, let us all learn to make right choices which are within our control. My dear friends, I have a question. Have you ever wondered how the small choices you make today can affect your future tomorrow? I would like to share my personal experience to this. Since my childhood, my goal has always been to become an IAS officer. After my 10th standard, I made a strategic and right choice, that is, to join in an integrated course along with UPSC preparation. And this path has allowed me to stay connected to my goal, and I firmly believe that the right choices made in life, especially at an early stage, will definitely lay the strong foundation for a successful future. And I believe in my choice. And you? Do you believe in your choices? Yes. My dear friends, it's not beyond you. I want you to be the masters of your own destiny. And let me give you another example where most of the teenagers are unwilling to control their choices. As teenagers, we are often exposed to multitude of tempting choices like alcohol, drugs, early relationships, too many relationships, underage sex, teenage pregnancies, and the list is just endless. All these are often due to peer group influence and social media influence. So, if you choose to go with the earlier mentioned choices, that will destroy your academic performance, your focus, your personality development, your mental health, your physical health, and finally your career. So, during the journey of life, we must all suffer from one of two pains. Either the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is discipline weighs ounces, but the regret weighs tons. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our responsibility to carefully feed our mind with the selected input and right choices. And that input, if chosen wisely, will definitely produce you the best outputs. And as a friend, I have few suggestions for you. Our time and energy are so precious. Don't invest them in wrong choices, because when you invest them in wrong choices, they break you into pieces, they turn you apart in such a way that it takes a lot of time to get back. So, it is a high time to turn off the odd bad feelings, bad cravings and bad choices. Okay? And the truth is, every choice we make has a consequence. Some are immediate, some unfold over time, and some are even unpredictable. But the beauty lies in the fact that we have the power to make a choice. Now, cry has 3 letters, but so does joy. Hate has 4 letters, but so does love. Lying has 5 letters, but so does truth. Enemies has 7 letters, but so does friends. Negativity has 7 letters, but so does positivity. Finally, failure has 7 letters, but so does success. Summing up, the cost of our choices is not just a burden, but a gift. And the cost of our choices is not always measured in money. It's measured in time, energy, and relationship. So, choose wisely, choose boldly, and choose with a purpose. Thank you.